Right, you lot, we all have a pasty, particularly in the West Country accent. Pasty, veggie pasty. The ingredients you're gonna need are 1 sweet potato, 1 normal potato, 1 onion, 1 tin of cooked lentils, frozen spinach, a wheat biscuit, some cottage cheese, some curry powder, a dusting of flour, splash of milk. Ready-made puff pastry. Kitchen kit you're gonna need is a sieve, 2 bowls, a knife, peeler, spoon, pastry brush, and a thin and a thin roasting tray. Oh, you jokers. First thing we're gonna do is peel and cut our veg. Go top to bottom, take that outer skin off. Do the same thing to a standard potato. Then slice them around about that thick. Okay, your onion, cut through it that way. Then green lentils. Get rid of all the water. Don't want the water to make the pastry when we wrap it too wet. Next, 2 blocks of this frozen spinach. Chop it up. And then put that into the sieve. Give that a little squeeze as well. Next, a breakfast wheat biscuit. Crumble it up. This helps to absorb any extra liquid that's in there. Then into it, curry powder, about 2 teaspoons. Cracked black pepper. Pasties should always have pepper in them. Pepper in a pasty. And then cottage cheese. Once you've given it a right good mix, it should look like that. Open it up and unravel it. Be a little bit chilled with it. You're gonna put this mix in the middle bit, okay? Don't be scared of packing it together using your hands. Give yourself a little bit of room either end, there and there. Some milk, give it a little splash. Give that a good brush. Now, a little bit of plain flour, get your fingers in it, just give your hands a bit of a dust. Then, roll it over. Don't worry if it looks a little bit messy around the edges. Make sure that we seal all those edges. It's just like you're tucking in a small child at night time. Get your knife, trim the paper, get a little bit more of your milk, brush it all over the top, and that will help give it a bit of a glaze. Get yourself some curry powder again. Give it a little dusting, like that. And that is ready to go into the oven. And there you go, look at that. A beautiful giant veggie pasty. Stay there. Veggie pasty, brown sauce. Brilliant. Why don't you show me how you got along using the hashtag #FullTimeMeals and visit the page where there's loads more recipes.